Hello guys, welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial for beginners. We shall be continuing with strings, and this time around we are going to look at the string property called length. Let's type in JavaScripting here. Yeah, so we'll be looking at length. The property helps us find out the length of the string or how many characters are in that string. Yeah, sometimes this is necessary. For example, you have seen times where you're trying to verify the login details, or you are registering uh, for an account. When you put in characters below 8, sometimes the login system, or rather the registering system, makes sure that you have more than 8 characters. So how does it know? It checks. So this is one of the way you can check. So we'll be using the dot length property to find out the length of our string. And as you can see, we've been given an example here. We have an initialized variable called example, and we can check the length of the string stored in our variable example. So there is always this this period or a point or a dot in between the variable or the string and the property length. So we shall be tackling a challenge exactly like this. So we are going to type in this, and we shall be outputting the length of our string. So maybe for a change, we're going to type in our names and check the length of our names. Let's type in touch string length .js. So let's head over to our Visual Studio Code editor, and we type in const. So our challenge is saying do this and that. So before we follow, because I remember telling you that if we follow these challenges, if we are to verify whatever we have put in according to the resource that we are using, we have to follow the challenge to the letter. So before we submit, let's try out this. For example, let's put name equals to OSEP. You can put in your name. Maybe you are called Jack or you are Jane, and after that, what do we want? We want the length of our name and we want it printed out. Can put length of we can find out console dot log. So we're going to put in name dot length. There are no parentheses added to this. Let's change this to my name. Not name. Yeah. Some of the variables that we may use are keywords. That's why we had to change my name. As you saw, the name the name variable we're using cancelled itself. So let's first try running this on our machine without verifying. So once we run, you see, this is the return. My name is 4 characters, OSEP. So if you had, for example, a name like Melissa, let me hope no one is assuming that that's the name of my girlfriend. Yeah, so it returns seven characters. So yeah, you have seen how fun it is. So let's try to change this to what our challenge says. Example, remember we said even spaces are characters, so example string, that's what the challenge is telling us to write. So let's change this also to example dot length. So we run our command javascripting verify, then the name of our file, then we hit enter. So as you can see, we have succeeded, and it prints out exactly what the challenge wanted us to print, example string, something like that. So thank you for watching, and if you like the content, hit the like button. If you have any query or any suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.